Here's a simple step-by-step guide to archive your Amazon orders and hide them from your main order history. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Archiving orders only works on the desktop website, not the mobile app. Now hover over Accounts and Lists at the top right. From the menu, click Your Orders. This will open your full order history. Scroll through your order list, or use the search bar to find the item you want to hide. You can archive anything: gifts, personal purchases, or anything you simply want out of view. Under the order details, click Archive Order on the right side. A pop-up will appear confirming your choice. Click Archive Order again. The order will instantly disappear from your main order history and move into your archived list. If you ever want to view your archived items, go back to your orders, then click the drop-down menu next to Orders. Select Archived Orders. From here, you can unarchive an item if you want to move it back to your regular order list. Archiving does not delete the order, it only hides it from your main history. Amazon allows you to archive up to 500 orders per account, and that's it. Your order is now hidden. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more tutorials.